This here device is a hemodialysis machine. The word hemodialysis, hemo means blood. So what this machine does is processes the patient's blood to remove contaminants in their blood, which is caused by their kidney failure. The way this machine works, there's two things going on here, basically. You have a machine that's basically a mixer, and it's mixing a solution called dialysate, which is mostly pure water. It's also a pump that pumps blood. So you can access the blood from the patient using a needle and a blood line. You process the blood through the machine, through the pumping system. This then passes through a device known as a dialyzer, and at the same time that dialyzer is processing that dialysate solution that I spoke of, that the machine is processing. These devices pass through on a dialyzer, and that's where basically the magic happens inside that dialyzer. The blood contaminants are removed by a series of pressure forces, convection, and chemical reactions. There's many things going on in the dialyzer to pull away those contaminants from the patient. The machine is a electronically driven hydraulic machine, and it is highly computerized with new technology today that is typical of most medical equipment. So basically all of the hydraulic and fluid processing is going on down in the hydraulic cabinet, and all the electronics are obviously up here where the boards are. This is where the brains are. These tell this what to do, and these also watch what is being done as a safety measure. So basically the machine has two separate circuits. One circuit does the work, the second circuit watches the work to make sure that it's done correctly. That's the safety built into the equipment. There is a large amount of redundant safety built into a dialysis machine, and the reason being because the treatment is aggressive and it can be potentially harmful if not done correctly. And so there is a lot of safety built into these machines, and the technology has grown substantially since really this began about 30 to 40 years ago, when we started doing full-time dialysis pretty much around the world. The technology has exploded in those years, and it just keeps changing. That's about it in a nutshell.